Most students overestimate their pace until they time a real read. I've seen 300 words per minute on a casual glance turn into 120 WPM when the test question cues you to check details. Core idea: speed reading isn't just skimming, it's maintaining comprehension while increasing words per minute. Here's a real start example. You have a 1,200-word article. You read the first paragraph quickly, then skim the middle with a pointer, then pause to summarize key points. You finish in about 6 minutes, keeping 75% comprehension on a quick recall check. If you're new, aim for 150 WPM with 70% comprehension, then push to 250 WPM as you gain confidence. Exercise: read a 1,200-word article in your course material for 4 minutes. Write a 1-sentence summary of the main idea and 3 supporting details. Calculate your average words per minute, word count divided by minutes. Share your results and adjust your goal to plus 50 WPM this week.